And welcome back to Primetime News.
A special welcome also to once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, gloom and grief gripped sections of Cassava, St. Andrew today following a mass shooting in the community on Wednesday evening.
The police say they're moving swiftly to find the triggermen and have already undertaken a series of operations.
Dwayne Anderson has this Primetime News follow-up.
Members of the St. Andrew North Police leadership walking through sections of the Cassava Peace community on Thursday morning, seeking to reassure residents and also gather information. Critical steps in the immediate hours after a deadly mass shooting in the area. Residents were at this bar along Peanut Lane just before 8 p.m. Wednesday playing dominoes when armed men drove up in a silver motor vehicle and opened fire on the group. The unfinished domino game and scattered pieces of clothes tell the story of the panic which ensued during the shooting. After the shooting subsided, 6 persons were found suffering from gunshot wounds. The already terrible evening then took a turn for the worse. While residents were attempting to rush the injured to hospital, the vehicle crashed. 29-year-old Kellyanne Bernard, a mother of 3 children, succumbed to her injuries and was pronounced dead at hospital. Another of the injured is in critical condition in hospital. Relatives of the deceased are heartbroken.
She have 3 kids. Sometimes she go on site, sometimes she walk herself. He did in at the shop, but my head start hurt me. I said I go take my pressure pill and call them out here. But she come out here, them a play domino. So when them play domino, which are 2 little less light meal, right bill me a play. For buy back 2 lights. And when me reach over, pay shot me here. Me come over, pay people that ground. My daughter lie down in the shop, pay blood.
Her daughter was collateral damage.
Just get caught up and them say somebody will play the domino is a target. And them just come and just start fire.
Police say they want all the help they can get from residents to bring the perpetrators to justice.
Work with you, them have to call you anonymous. And I say I don't hide my number.
Exactly.
Any video you want pass on to the police and we can help us.
Yeah,
in the investigation, that'll be really good.
That is true.
Detectives attached to the St. Andrew North Police Division say they are following strong leads into the gun attack. Several operations have since been launched in search of the men who carried out the shooting. The community has been on the police's radar due to ongoing gang conflict, but the police say there was no intelligence suggesting an attack was imminent. Police and soldiers have also been maintaining a strong presence in the community since the incident. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.